Hey, what's going on, my friend? Garrett Barry here. Now, in this video, what I want to do is do a review of the Profits Passport system. Now, if you're watching this video, chances are you've probably seen some of the massive buzz about this done-for-you automated income system. Now, I've been using this system for many, many months now, and it's produced income, more income than I've ever made. In a single day, I actually hit my record of $5,500. Now, the cool thing about this specific system is not only is the follow-up emails that go out for your leads to convert them into sales already created and done for you. Not only is the capture page and all the upsells and the products done for you, but when you do make a sale and the very first income stream, which is the most popular, you receive that money instantly into a PayPal, a Stripe account, a bank account, wherever you want the money. You can receive it instantly and you get to keep 100% of the money, which is just absolutely incredible. Now on the screen right now, you can see that in PayPal yesterday, I was sent $2,000. Now PayPal has a little bit of fees, but I generated $2,000 yesterday just using the Profits Passport system. And you can see that the last 7 days in my PayPal account, and I was using Stripe, but I've switched over to PayPal, I was able to generate $3,459, okay, just in the very first income stream. So what I want to do inside this video is break down what Profits Passport is, how exactly it works, and then towards the end, the bonuses that you're going to get from the creator of the system if you do decide to join, as well as the bonuses you're going to get from me with my 5 years of full-time online experience, okay? So the next thing I want to share with you, though, is are other people getting results? Because when you go to join a system, when you go to join an opportunity, you want to know, are other people actually making money? Well, if I go into the Facebook group, okay, this is our group for team members of the system, you're going to be able to see that within the last 24 hours, newbies and people from all over the world, many brand new, 18 years old all the way up to 80, are able to generate income with this system. Okay, so you can see Jeff right here within the last 9 hours made $2,000. Okay, so again, the reason I'm sharing with you this is it's not outdated, it's not going anywhere. This is happening now. Okay, September 1st. Okay, wow, I can't even. He said almost 2,500 alone today just from stream one. Okay, that's income stream number one. You can see right here, 15 hours ago, okay, that's David Digo, the creator, but he made $8,500. He uses the same system. Another 2K while playing with my kids, okay? Hey, David, $2,000 on complete autopilot, okay? 16 hours ago, just had another $100 in the bank, okay? And this is all just using the done-for-you system, okay? I'm trying to find, 16 hours ago, okay, $25. So it's absolutely incredible. Arthur right here, $100. So how exactly does the Profits Passport system work? Well, there's going to be a link directly below in the description. When you click that link, you're going to get taken eventually to this page here. Now, this page has a webinar, okay? Now, it's very important you watch this webinar because David, the creator, will break down all the different income streams, how the system works, and you really want to pay close attention because this video right here is just an overview that I'm doing for you now. But what you would do is if you're a new member, you want to create an account. Just put your first name, last name, and email and hit yes, let me in. Now, once you're inside, you're going to get taken to the different income streams. Now, what you want to do is go through each one and sign up and create an account and then use this tutorial by clicking here, and David will walk you through how to get your unique affiliate ID, which is just a piece of code that will credit you with these sales. Okay, so as someone goes through and creates an account, your ID will be here. Okay, this is mine. And then they'll actually sign up under you. So the system in this webinar will do all the telling and selling for you, and they will actually go through the process signing up under you, and you will earn commissions. Okay, now there's many different income streams. Some of them pay residual, some of them pay instant commissions, some of them pay low ticket, high ticket. So they really give you a big portfolio of different income streams. So you're never putting all your eggs into one basket, which is painful if you've had something go down before in the past, which I have, and I know a lot of other marketers have as well. Anyway, you just go through, sign up, put your ID here, okay? And then the next step is what you want to do is get your affiliate link, okay, which is right here, and you want to promote this. Okay, that's all you have to do. You just want to get people to click on this link, because once they click on the link, it's going to take them to this page. Okay, I'll show you real quick as it loads. It's going to take you to this page, which is a capture page. And your prospect, the person that you get to click on your link, will put their email in, and they will start getting followed up with. They will start to watch this webinar. They will start to go through the income streams, upgrading, investing as high as possible, and you will start to wake up to commissions. Again, just like these people, okay, who are, real people, many brand new. Okay, Jennifer here, $2,000. Okay, 7 hours ago, $100. Okay, and again, many of these people are brand new, but the system is able to do it. Again, it's not you. Okay, if you failed in the past, it's not because you're not good enough. It's not because you didn't have enough sales experience. It's simply you weren't promoting something that was really good at selling people, and that's what this system is. So there's going to be a link directly below that you can actually click, and you can go through this process to start to create your account and then upgrade inside the different income streams. Now, it does require an investment, but the issue isn't, oh, am I wasting money? Oh, am I blowing money? No, like, this is an investment into you and your family's future. And you can see here, it's going to be very quick for you to make back your money. Again, yesterday I made $2,000. I didn't even know the person. Okay, it just came in on autopilot. And I've been in Brazil lately, if you followed my last video, and money's still coming in. Okay, just leveraging this system. Now, you may wonder, how do I get people to my link? Because a lot of people, with a Profits Passport, they still have to get people to the link. Everything else is done for you, which is mind-blowing and incredibly rare, but you still have to get visitors to your link. How do you do that? Well, that's where David and my bonuses are going to come in. So with David's bonuses, what you want to realize is that income stream number one is called Easy One-Up. Okay, now Easy One-Up is a affiliate business where you can actually join and get training. Okay, so the video training inside Easy One-Up is going to share with you marketing skills, okay, how to get leads, traffic, sales, etc. But there's many different levels inside of Easy One-Up. Now, you want to come in as high as possible, because we earn inside of Easy One-Up at the level we're at and below. So if you only joined at the $25 level, you would only get commissions at the $25 level. I was able to generate $2,000 yesterday because I'm at the $2,000 level, which is the highest. So you want to understand that. Now, with David, if you actually, within the first week, okay, the first 7 days of creating an account, so going at the link below this video, creating an account, within 7 days, if you can charge a credit card, if you can borrow the money, if you can sell something, if you can invest $2,000, the highest level, you will access his bonuses, okay, as well as my bonuses. Now, what are his bonuses? Well, he shares it inside this webinar, which is another reason you want to watch that very closely. But one of them is a 5-day stay in a Mexican resort. Okay, so if you've ever wanted to visit Mexico and stay in a beautiful luxury resort, you get access to 5 days worth just getting started at the $2,000 level, which is what you want to do anyway. You also get access to his YouTube rotator. So David is constantly creating YouTube videos, and he's posting them on his YouTube channel. Well, he has links underneath his description, and he rotates different people's links every single day. And if you join at the $2,000 level, you will instantly start getting automated free traffic, because he will rotate and your link will be one of those links under his video, and you will start getting traffic, leads, and sales. Okay, I had a sale come in with the YouTube rotator. A ton of people have, and it's a very easy way to start getting traffic. But now I want to share with you my bonuses. Okay, now I'm not going to go into all depth. I may include a link in the description to a breakdown of all the bonuses you'll get if you join at the, now I included at the $1,000 or the $2,000 level, because I know not everyone has $2,000, but if you can find $1,000 or more, then you will be able to get these bonuses. Okay, so here's the page. Now, you would get an email from me once I saw that you joined. Within the first 24 hours, I will send you this link. And this is basically, number one, I share what to do first, okay? How to set up everything, how to access the bonuses. Right here, I share a mindset trick. A lot of people don't realize that 80% of your results online is mindset. And this one exercise that I started doing was what I attribute all my success to, creating like $1,000, $2,000 days with this one exercise, okay? Right here, I share how to get leads and sales for free with a Facebook profile. Okay, this one video is absolutely incredible. If you don't have a lot of money after you invest for paid ads, you can use what I share in this video to start getting leads and sales. I give you copy paste ads to post, done for you Facebook story posts to start getting leads and sales. You get access to my social media mastery, $297 worth of training on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. What I've used the last 5 years to generate leads and sales in many different affiliate businesses. You get access to that for free just for coming in at the $1,000 or $2,000 level. The Profits Passport system, you already will have access to that. Access to our private Facebook groups. Again, if you want to be motivated, if you want to have a community, if you want to be supported, you want to join there. High ticket sales secrets. Okay, this is a book where basically it reveals how to start making high ticket sales. Okay, step by step. Facebook ads. If you've always wanted to run paid traffic, Facebook ads are a great way to go. This bonus is a full video course from A to Z on how to start running successful Facebook ads. Then I included Facebook retargeting. Okay, so this is basically once you start getting people seeing your Facebook ads, you want to retarget and follow up. And this course is going to show how to do that as well. So these are the bonuses worth thousands of dollars I'm going to share with you for free just for getting started under me at the $1,000 or $2,000 level. So this is it, my friend. This is Profits Passport. I highly recommend you join Profits Passport. Again, I mean, you see the results. You know, you can't deny it. These people aren't paid actors, right? These are real people. I can open up their Facebook. I can message these people. They're people just like you and me. They saw this opportunity. They were willing to learn. Okay, Kristen, right? So, I mean, I can message these people. They're real people getting real results, and you're seeing the proof in the pudding. 2K, okay, while she was with her daughter, right? Here, watching a movie, right? So autopilot income. You're not going to find a better solution. Get started, okay? The money loves speed, and you want to go down below in the link and get started. Look out for my email when you upgrade because I'm going to share with you the bonuses, and you'll be able to literally start producing income, whether you're in Brazil, whether you're in another country, whether you're with your family, whether you're sleeping. You can do this, okay? So thanks so much for watching, my friend. Highly recommend this system. Go down below, access it, look out for an email from me, and I'll see you very soon.